The next thing which comes in mind is designing for security and designing for compliances. And this is very important topic, because you need to make sure that you understood cloud IAM. You understand how you can create a hierarchy so that the folders, the projects can be created, and you are designing, keeping your organization in your mind, how the developers are going to access your infrastructure, how your business is going to use your reports, right? So considering all that in your mind, you are making sure that you are planning for hierarchies, you are planning for IAM, you are planning for data security, like whether you want to use KMS or you want to use your own KMS key, right? Penetration testing, if at all you want to do that. Separation of duty, that's where you need to understand your role versus what Google is providing it to you with the SLA, right? Security controls like auditing, VPC service controls, organization policy, etc. Managing your own key versus cloud KMS and all that, right? So you need to make sure that you understand all of it to apply those policies or those best practices to your infrastructure or proposed infrastructure. Designing for compliance, definitely this is the area wherein you need to make sure that if at all say there are some personally identifiable information, the machine which is, if the machines are collecting the data and sending it, you need to make sure that there is no PII data inside it, right? If at all there is a PII data, you are putting forward encryption mechanism, right? You are encrypting the data and then sending it. So machine itself encrypt the data and then send it to a Google Cloud Platform for further processing. And then as and when it is required by authorized users or authorized access, you can decrypt the data. But you need to make sure that you either anonymize the data, or you are encrypting the data and only authorized person have access to that decryption logic. There are some industry certifications which are required. You need to make sure that you have it for your own domain for this particular connected devices infrastructures. I don't see there are specific certifications, but there are some certifications which talks about the data quality and data completeness, right? And there are some SOC compliances certifications which you can include it and implement it. You need to make sure that you have audit logging enabled, so that if someone asks, you can produce it for our users. The use case, I don't think we are going ahead with any of, or it is required by compliance. We are not processing any personal identifiable data, but depends. I don't know what it is containing 124 attributes, right? So consider that there is no data and then you can proceed further, or consider that there is a data and then do evaluation.